Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off comments on an agreement on DocuSign. So if you're about to send an agreement and you want to ensure that comment is turned off or turned on, you can easily do that. All you have to do is go to agreements and you will be able to find that agreement that you have in draft or wherever you have it, right? So I have this one here in draft. I'm going to click on this agreement, and once you're inside the agreement, you can now go ahead and basically edit it more. So you can click and continue here, and once you click and continue into the settings of this agreement. So to find that, click on advanced option at the upper right, and here you will now have the option at the bottom here that says comments. You can turn on or off comments and just simply click and save from here on the lower right hand side. And that's it. That's how you turn on or off comments on an agreement on DocuSign.